everyone, welcome back to my channel Priya's Happiness, and it's me Priya Vikram. And in today's video I'm going to talk about how to choose the right shade foundation for your skin. And before you choose a proper shade foundation, you should be aware of undertones, which undertone yours belongs to. The undertone is the color which lies beneath your skin. There are three different categories in the undertone. One is the warmer undertone, cooler undertone, and the neutral undertone. How to check your undertone? It's very easy. When you check your veins, you can turn the wrist and look for the veins. If you have a green veins, then you are warmer undertone person. If you have a blue or purple veins, then you are a cooler undertone person. If you have a mix of green, purple, blue, then you are a neutral undertone person. You may ask, how does this undertone relate to the foundation? I will tell you. Any foundation generally, if you take, it has a three bases in it. The standard base will be brown and white, and the third base will be based on your undertone. So warmer undertone persons, anytime when you go to choose the foundation, you have to look for the foundation which is having a third base as yellow or third base orange, which means the foundation you choose, you should have a brown, white, yellow, or brown, white, and orange. And cooler undertone person, anytime when you choose the foundation, you should make sure the third base is blue or pink in it, which means brown, white, blue, or brown, white, pink in it. And the neutral undertone person, you don't have any specific base for you. You can choose any kind of foundation, whichever look good on your face and whichever make you feel flawless. And when you go to the shop, the makeup artist over there, they may ask you to swatch the foundation on your hand, but please don't do that, because the color of hands here and the face color is totally different. So you should always swatch the foundation here from jawline till the neck and then blend it properly, then you choose. Let me show you how to swatch and blend and choose the foundation. My face now is with no makeup, and I'm going to swatch these three different foundations. And it's not that I'm using three foundations every day, it's just that before I find my proper shade, these two are the failures. The first foundation which I purchased was this Revlon Color Stay, which is 370 Toast, and this was the first foundation I purchased. You have to always apply generous amount of foundation in order to find the exact shades. When I felt this is the perfect shade for me, but once I applied it, let me blend and show you. Okay, now can you see the difference? This is my natural skin and this is the foundation one. So by right, this and this should look same and even. It should not look like too bright or too grayish. But in this case, you can see this foundation making this portion like too brighter than my natural skin color. So if you feel when you apply the foundation, if this is giving you a too bright and too gray finish, don't go for that. Your foundation should exactly match your skin color after you apply. So now you saw this Revlon Color Stay. Let me swatch the next shade which I bought. So let me clean it off. Okay. And the next one I purchased was a MAC NW45. When I went to the MAC store, I asked them to suggest me the proper shade for my skin. That lady over there told me you should go for this NW45, NW43. This will be a perfect for you. And even I tried. Let me show you. Okay, Now let me blend this foundation on my skin. Yeah, I felt this is looking like natural and this is my perfect shade. This is what I thought and I purchased that. Later what happened was, after I observed 1 hour, I felt my face turn to like kind of orangey shade, which means this foundation is having a orange base in it, brown, white, and then the third color is orange, so which is making my face look like orangey, and I felt it's dull. So I decided that this is not my shade. So this is my second failure while choosing the foundation. So I went to MAC store again and they suggested me to try they asked me to try the NC45 Prolonged Wear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. This one I tried. Let me swatch and blend. Yes, now you can see this one is looking very natural and it is exactly matching my skin tone. But still, because of my previous experience, this time I told them I will check it for 1 hour, later I will confirm. So I roam around for 1 hour or something. After that I checked my skin and still it was looking natural. It was not too dark or it was not orangey, it was not too bright. So I decided this is my shade and I just purchased this shade and I came. This is how you have to swatch and check the foundation when you go to the drugstore or any Sephora or any shop to buy the foundation. And a while ago I showed you how to swatch, blend and choose the foundation. And also I would like to give you a few more tips before buying a foundation. Tip number 1, when you go to buy a foundation, try to go with no makeup on your face. It helps you to choose perfect shade which match your skin. Number 2, don't rush to purchase a foundation. Always give some time. So when you go to the shop, you apply foundation and let your skin absorb the foundation. Maybe just finish your shopping, then after 1 hour or 2, you look at yourself and take a photo and check it, or check your foundation in the natural light. If you feel it look natural on your face still, then that is the right foundation. If you feel too light or you are looking too bright, and don't go for that is a lighter shade for you. And if your face turned to orangey shade and it is dark, then don't go for that also, because that is not the right choice for you. Only you choose if you feel it give a smooth and flawless look, then that is the right shade for you. And tip number 3, when you go to the shop, you can ask for the samples. Don't go and buy straight away the full bottle when you are not sure. If you feel I should try some more time, then don't go and buy the foundation. You ask for the samples. For example, when you go to Sephora, definitely they are going to provide you a sample when you ask. Then from Sephora you may get like this kind of boxes. Last time when I went, I wanted to try few shades from Nurse, because Nurse the foundation cost is around $72. I didn't want to spend $72 without knowing my proper shade. So I asked for them to give me two different shades, and the amount they give you, it will be good enough for 2 to 3 applications. So you can apply and try 2 to 3 days. Then you can, if you are satisfied, after that you can just go and purchase the particular shade. And these are all the tips which I wanted to give you. I really hope this video was useful to you, And if you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments if you need any improvement in my videos, and there is a bell icon below. Please hit on that so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye from Priya. Stay happy.